Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's Art. Today we will complete the Lakshmi Ji's painting. Lots of work we have done in first video, and now we'll do more detailing in our second video. So we have given the base colors. Now we'll start working with detailing, and first color which we are using is white paint.
You can give border of your choice. This is baby pink. फर्स्ट बॉर्डर मैं ये वाला बना रही हूँ. सेकेंड बॉर्डर मैं आपको करके दिखाती हूँ. वो पिंक के ऊपर हम डार्क ब्लू कलर ले रहे हैं. ये डार्क ब्लू कलर है. ओके, इसको हम ले रहे हैं. ये हमने पहले भी बनाया हुआ है बॉर्डर. This kind of design will come for second border. This is bright yellow. This is facing outside, so here and in this I'm going to paint green leaves and white flower. So first let me make flower. We can make even pink flower. That will also look very nice. Because this is light pink. 3 petals. Now green leaves. And then white dot on at the end of green leaf. That we can do only when this dries. So this border is coming like this. Now here in the blue color, we have to give touch of some other color. So I'm thinking of giving touch of this peacock blue. This is peacock blue. Very similar to light blue. It's not visible. I think we have to try some other color. So we'll try to make these 3 borders, and now I'll work on the lotus and the platform on which goddess is sitting. See, this is the problem. My purple color was a poster color. So little touch of water and see the color is reactivated. So that's why I avoid using the poster colors. Now in this, now to make it Pattachitra, and in between white will come. If it is Kalamkari lotus, then we don't have to make this petal. Only line will work. We'll wait 2 minutes to dry this. In the meantime, we have done outlining. Also, we will do outlining here. By the time this dries, we'll just do little work on the face because I didn't like the lips. This is black. Even now, mouth is not good. I will wait. In Lotus, I want to show you. Our Lakshmi Ji will look like this. We can change the colors, like here I feel, I don't know, blue instead of blue. If we give touch of white, it may look better. And the last, not the least, corners we have to make the flower, which we are always making. So every corner will have this flower. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste. Just to, we are showing the water because there's a saying that Lakshmi Ji lives in Sheer Sagar. And here we are showing the clouds. In Pattachitra, making background design or background booty is compulsory. So I'm using this red color and going to make a very simple common booty which all of us know. We'll fill white color in the petal. This is white. Like this we'll make on other side also. And here this blue has become very dull. So on the top of blue, just little touch of white. We'll check the clouds also. So today we are making the border, final border of Lakshmi Ji's painting. This is green color which is used to make the leaves and stem of the creeper, and we'll use pink color to make the flowers. So I'm going to use this pink. Actually, I have mixed white in the red and made this pink, and I'm making a simple flower, 3 petals only, nothing great. This is red color. I'm waiting for this green paint to dry. So in the meantime, I will paint with red color the outer border, like we have done in other paintings. Second coat is very important. Even on the leaves, we have to give second coat. When these pink petals will dry, in the meantime, we will give a coat of red paint here. We'll do one more coat here. This is white paint, and to make our painting authentic Patta Chitra, we will give one dot here at the end of each petal. It's little long line, not exactly a dot. It's a line like this. See, it is not a dot, it's a long line, little oval line. It should not be circular. This is dark red color. We'll just give thin outline to flowers and we'll see how it looks. If it is not looking nice, then we will change the color. With this, our Lakshmi Ji's painting is completed. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing the information about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.